guys, we went on a walk up here. Wow, my goodness, look at that. There's the barracks there now.
Amazing.
So where we are up here is O'Dwyer's Rock. It's just there, and he was some of the last of the Irish rebels, and they built that barracks over there to catch him. And it said that he still sits up there dead. He still sits up there under the rock, looking over the valley, over the glen, keeping it, throwing an eye over things. But eventually they couldn't defeat him, but eventually he surrendered. Then I don't know what the details of his surrender was, but I'm afraid of heights, so this is as far as I'm going, which is I'm going to get an idea. But isn't that just magnificent? Yeah, what do you think, dude?
Absolutely amazing.
Sorry everybody, this is Declan. Say hello to everybody.
How's it going?
We left Barry down below, so we thought we'd come up here and have a look. Yeah, amazing. Amazing.
It's actually
load.
You don't really get a scale of how big it is down there until you see it from here.
Yeah. Oh, it's massive. It's massive. Yeah. So we're camped way up that way towards Ockavana. So we got the car and we drove up here, and we're picking up some supplies, and then we're going to go back to camp then. But, yeah. Yeah, probably. So this is the rock the O'Dwyer fella sits on. Sits up here, he does. He just came up a bit further. Oh, that view. There's a frog. Oh!
It's dead end here, Mark.
Not sure. No, it's path here, dude. Yeah, some more. I don't think we're far from the waterfall. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. You'll be glad. Yeah. Just mind your feet, Declan. Yes. Ah, look at that now. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a thing of beauty, isn't it? We can go up further, look.
Yeah, we will, yeah.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful, isn't it? And you can feel the water washing over you almost here. The noise, the smell, the vision. I'm gonna go out. Yeah. Are you?
Woo! See where I chopped that? We've loaded that tinder there off from what I just did. I wonder if the axe would be better for this.
What? No, you just chop up the bits, man.
Yeah.
That only takes seconds. See, wrist size pieces what you want, isn't it?
They're perfect for it, aren't they?
Yeah, see, that's solid wood. That's the way, so just keep it moving. You don't even have to put any effort into it.
That's the thing, you just have to let the teeth do the work.
Yeah, then just slide it back and forward. It actually works better for you than the less choice you get to actually put
Don't
it.
fight it, yeah.
It was fine now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should really cut down more.
Yeah, true.
Big stack of logs there, look.
Very nice.
Still do.
Put loads of logs off that branch all day, look.
Yeah.
And we can keep feeding that big one in.
Put in stubbies off and that.
You have to
Fire
split.
lighter, do you want one, Mark?
I have one here, yeah. Do you know it's going to be easy? But
It's light in
lads,
corner,
if we split them logs with the axe, it's going to burn a lot freer and
Tell you what,
easier.
Mark, don't light yet, don't light yet. Okay.
Sorry.
Gonna say, yeah, because
Take the start, can we?
yeah, we burned it for nothing.
Right, we'll just let that go out.
Yeah.
Here, hang on. What time is it?
We'll walk up to this now, relax.
What time is it?
It's only 6.
It's 10 past 6, so we're gonna
Yeah, it's early days.
Right, go on, you go and do that, and sorry lads, I thought we were getting it
Just
going.
down
Like.
here, eh, mate?
Yeah, I might fucking hang in my hammock for half an hour.
Yeah, same there. See you in a while, lads, right?
Right, do it.
So where was I? Tarp.
Yeah, sorry guys, we got the mic in.
Cool. Right, so yeah, as I was saying, this isn't, I'm not a pro at this, but every time is a learning experience. So I went for the 3.5 by 3.5 DD tarp.
Yeah.
And it's perfect for me. If I had the chance, I definitely would have went with the 4. You'll probably show on camera later on. We have the 4 meter one here.
Yeah.
But just as our camp. But the 3.5 is perfect for me. Like I can do pretty much every configuration I need to with this.
And it gives you extra room to stop rain.
Yeah. Like I fin down the corners because I know I get a lot of wind and rain come from this side always. But I really want to have that open kind of feel. And look, I know some people will say that's completely wrong, but it suits me.
Well,
you
in
know,
the winter and the wind.
Well, I tell you what I do.
That down, but in the summer, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I use a lot of bungee setting this up because what I found was I like the tarp nice and tight.
Right.
So I tie the ends off the bungee cords, and what that does is when the wind blows, there's a little bit of give in it. It's not like a guitar string that's super tight.
Oh, right, okay.
So, you know,
yeah,
tarp is never going to rip. There will always be a little give in the wind.
Oh, right, with the bungee.
Yeah, that's why. And all the corners I bungee off, and then the top is bungeed. And then
Yeah.
just with these kind of restraints, I use the paracord with these lads. So I find that works best for me, the type of camping I do with it.
And you're using it, you've got your Calvin Kleins hanging out there and see.
Yeah. And now washing the river.
You went up for a swim earlier.
Bit of a skinny dip.
Are you ready? You done the full Monty, did you?
Yeah, I was hoping you wouldn't see me.
Oh, we should have filmed that. That would have been a small event.
Alright, moving on.
Okay, go for it.
So
how much did this rig set cost you back?
So
vulgar subject of money.
right, I tell you what. Last December, I think it was, I put a post up on your page on the Facebook Wild Camping Ireland,
Yeah.
and like I got loads of great positive responses from all the guys.
Yeah.
Because there's so many pros there, you know, that
And
have.
they give you good.
Yeah, they give me great advice. You can probably cycle back to it or put a link into it, but
It's a brilliant community.
it is, and I
Yeah.
had some really great advice. Somebody told me to get this because the weight is so much less than the 4 meter. You know, it's a great choice
And
for
is
me.
that an ultralight version?
No,
or no, just
absolutely
the
not. I'm
regular
not.
one?
I'm totally not an ultralight camper.
Right,
You'll
okay.
see me gear.
Yeah.
I do 5
depends on
kilometer
how far
hike.
you have to. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not an ultralighter. The
Okay.
way I see it, Mark, is hiking and camping are completely different sports for me. I know some people like to keep them
Here's the
both.
legend in there.
Some Watchmen news, lads, wouldn't you?
Here's Barry back in there. So he's just telling us all about and how much it costs and
So yeah, this was about €65 thereabouts,
65, right,
and
right.
absolutely money well spent. Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
you bought, like, I have a €30 one now, and it's like,
I tell you what, Mark, this is going to last a
fucking
lifetime.
choice.
It's solid, and it's all the seams are taped as well. so
yeah, I felt it and I was going,
really
wow,
great.
this is like one of them old wax jackets
Yeah.
or something.
I
And the
spent
weight of it.
8 hours in this yesterday in the lashing rain,
Yeah.
and I was bone dry. You know,
You were
it's-
bone dry
yeah.
in here, yeah.
Yeah, it's so
And
cool.
then the tarp, you got the D&D front line, is it?
So the hammock is
Oh, the hammock.
yeah, this is the front line. Again, not an ultralight whatsoever,
Right.
but it suits me and the style I do. It's nice and robust, nice and heavy. It's great. There's a great fly net on it and keeps it up off your face. There's loads of room in it. So I just got some pretty
Yeah.
cheap whoopee strings at the end. But yeah, it suits what I want. This is actually Snug Pack, not the D&D.
Right.
Just
snug
from
pack.
watching YouTube reviews, I decided not to go with the D&D. I got the Snug Pack,
Right.
and I'll tell you why in a
Just
second.
stop the wind coming up and freezing.
Yeah.
Yourself, yeah.
Yeah, now you'll get lots of people saying they won't use this in the summer because, you know, it's is there summer camping, that kind of thing. But, you know, it's my comfort. I love it. I like to stay warm, so
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
geez,
I was-
absolutely. I use my winter bag in summer at times.
yeah, absolutely.
Stay comfortable, stay warm,
Yeah.
stay happy, stay
So-
dry. It's all part of that.
Moving inside then, my main bag is the Snug Pack quilt with the Nova quilt,
Yeah.
and there's a foot box in the end. This is all antibacterial material.
Yeah, I have this bag. They're great.
Such good quality.
Quality the material.
Quality gear,
Yeah.
and really affordable, like on a budget for anybody's level of camping. You know, and you can get into this.
That's the snug pack quilt with the foot pops.
Yep. So
much was
these
that?
two, this was about €50.
Right.
Yeah, and I think this was about the same value, but they're like brother and sister. You know what I mean? I
Yeah.
thought they were cool together.
They snug in together.
So like when I'm yeah.
No pun intended.
So what I do is to beef that up in the winter camps in the snow. We did one in February,
Yeah.
and I just supplement using the sleeping bag, using the fleece liner.
That's a fleece
Now this is
liner.
a thick kind of army one, but
Yeah.
with this, and this, any season.
Snug. That's a bug.
Yeah, any
Yeah,
season.
Yeah, yeah.
But now, like tonight, I'm not using that as a sleeping bag. I use that as a pillow wrapped up.
Oh, good
But
idea.
if
Yeah,
then I
yeah.
get cold, I can open it out.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
So
that's
the kit, like.
yeah.
That's
So
the
if
whole
I'm not
setup.
tent camping, this is my go-to
So
setup.
what, you're talking about four items. The underbelly.
Under quilt.
The quilt.
Yeah.
The hammock itself and the tarp. 4 items, around €60 each, about
Roughly.
240, 250.
Exactly.
And that'll
For
set you
$250.
the best kit.
Well, for me, like you'll always get
Yeah.
like you go into the ultralight range.
Okay.
It just depends. You know, for my style of camping, there's no need for
Yeah.
me to change this kit. This is
Well,
perfect for
I
me.
used to be ultra.
It's cool.
cool.
I will say to your viewers that this feels a bag. You know what I mean?
Oh, the whole
It's
kit does.
bulky.
Yes.
If you're
yeah.
thinking that you're going to save room by getting a tarp set up, just because you can see through, it looks like less volume.
Okay.
It doesn't
yeah.
work out that way.
Yeah, I did think about that. By the time you buy the whole setup,
Yeah.
why not just
This-
use the tent?
It's just different strokes for different folks. Like I'll go camping in this, and then the next time I just say I'd like to be back out in the
Yeah.
nature hike Cloud Peak too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I
Well,
take turns.
Look, the way you've set it up professionally, and I'd go, right, do you know what? I think I might get a whole system like that and do a hammock camp. I might only use it, the whole investment, 250.
Exactly.
That's me pocket money for 10 weeks.
Yeah.
You know, that's the way I look at it.
Yeah.
I save pocket money, €20 a week. Over a year, that's €1,000 I can spend on camping equipment.
Well, it's mad.
So
like
hold
this.
out and get the good stuff.
This is a mid-range setup for a hammock, right? You can obviously get much better, or it's the same value as a mid-range tent,
Yeah,
if you know what I mean.
Guys, I hope you like that bit of gear porn. We're going to look at Barry's next, his tent and that, or we might do that tomorrow. We'll start drinking now. Anyways, back soon. Bye.
Ciao.
What's the best cut of meat as a butcher for beef?
Oh, what are you
Is
cooking?
it fillet? Like, no, but if you want to buy...
A fillet steak? Nah, I think a ribeye is the nicest.
Oh, I love ribeye.
It's got a
I
lovely
love
bit
it,
of fat on it.
Yeah.
You know, ribeye is probably the nicest steak.
Give it the flavour.
I love sirloin as well. I fry a sirloin on the pan for a few minutes, and because I eat my steak raw, it doesn't take long to cook.
Okay.
You know that way?
Yeah.
The sirloin is lovely and they're cheap.
Yeah.
You know, of all the frying steaks, they're the cheapest.
I have a T-bone, man.
T-bone is there.
My favourite is little hot dogs.
These are good.
There, tasty chats.
Right now is the tastiest thing we can eat.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome back. So the lads came down last night, or yesterday, and do you know, the day just got away from us. We were like 3 L1s. We were talking about camping kit. It's like an omnibus episode of Coronation Street, except it was camping. And yeah, so we were nattering on for hours, and then Declan then, he had to go off and bring his wife to let her know that he's okay and stuff. Both of the lads did, and then to let their wives know and stuff. So I decided I'd have a little lie down, and then that was it. That was me for the night. Then I was well asleep by 9 AM last night, and then I woke up at 6 AM this morning. Brilliant. Felt fully relaxed. See me view here this morning, it's lovely. Oh, that's my handprint there. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you loads of gear. This video will be mostly all about gear porn. So camping kit. None of mine, just both of what the lads have, because they have really good kit. That I see they've collected over a few years, you know, and built on it and stuff. So we'll have a look at loads of kit today, I promise. And we're going to do some cook-offs. And yeah, I'm looking forward for today, just hanging out. Just doing camping stuff. Cooking, sourdough wood, chopping wood. Yeah. So you think after all the years I do it, like I would get bored with it, but I don't. Because every day is a different challenge, a different something you have to set up and so on. So yeah, look, back soon. Bye. How's it going, guys? This is Dee here. How you doing? They're waking up there. This is a setup. So that's a D&D 3x3 tarp, is it? Right. Angle Voyager 200. Excellent.
It's a relatively small tent. You know, it's not, it's not massive, but it's, you can sit up at the front
nice
here.
and cozy, yeah.
It's cozy, it's very cozy.
Yeah.
One of the nights I got in, I had a few beers, I kind of had a few cans, and I had 2 jackets on me. I was wrapped up too warm, in it, down, sleeping bag. Yeah. And I got very claustrophobic, I had to get out. After that I said I was never going to use it again.
Really, yeah?
Didn't use it for about 6 months.
Really, yeah?
And then I got back into one and it's just a fucking little tent.
Yeah.
I just had a...
You were just too warm. Yeah.
I got too hot.
I got a bit of an anxiety thing about 4 AM this morning.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, where am I? And I just had to go, oh yeah, I'm in the woods, you know. But sometimes you forget, like, yeah, it's a nice tent.
I like that 2 entrances to it. Like, this can open up and you can leave this part down.
Right.
I can just pull it all back. 2 think you can target this out, or I think you can find this out.
Did you say there's 2 entrances to it?
2 entrances, this side, this opens up as well there.
Oh, that side as well. Oh, right, I see. At the front, there's 2 sides, yeah.
Down. Or not stand it up.
Or take it up, and could you put poles to it and have it as a, like
I'd say you could, just
a porch?
Yeah, I'd say you'd have to. I'd say you'd have to kind of zip it up.
Yeah.
You can get it up if you want it.
Yeah. It's oh, there it is. You always do. I lost a vital part of my tripod, and I just found it there walking into my tent. It was just in front on the ground as I walked in, like, yeah. And vital part, like, yesterday, and I couldn't do any. I wanted to do long exposure.
Oh, you need a tripod for it.
Yeah, but today now we're staying. It's good light.
I was going to bring my tripod down.
Well, you can borrow mine if you go. What? Whoa!
A small tripod in the gym.
Right.
It's good. It's not expensive. It's good.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
I like the long exposure stuff.
Yeah. The waterfall. Bring us up to the waterfall. It's
I want to
lovely.
go to Loch Dan something again. I want to do Astro sometimes. I want to do this.
Yeah, it'd be great down there. Yeah.
Jordan, it's your 50 mil. Great for that.
Oh, wouldn't it? All right, dude. It is a bit cold. I got me gloves out. I did. Yeah. I haven't put them on yet, but they're going on. Anyway, guys, everyone's getting up this morning, and we're going to organise a bit of food and stuff. So back soon. Bye. They're nice and dry, actually. Outside. It's been a good summer. Yeah.
Some of them are even rotten.
Yeah.
Put the camera. Then you have to walk back, get the camera, turn it off, do it all.
Yeah. You have to do loads of that. Actually, that's the way. See, the grain is going that way.
Small ones is split off. Easily.
Oh, that's what that is. Oh, we're all going to fit in this. Oh, is that the one that you sold?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's what it looks like. Yeah. Okay. It's a monster of a thing. Jesus, I tell you, that'll fit us all in that, won't it? If it rains bad. Oh man, and is this the stove hut one?
Yeah. 2 stove jacks on the other side, mate.
This is the one Tigress, right? Okay, I'll go around and look at it. And does he have a stove with him?
No, he doesn't. No.
We
didn't buy one yet. We'll get one for the winter.
Here, you can lend a mine, mate. I won't be using it that much. Yeah, look at this. So that's the one Tigress. What's it called? Tenjiman. Tenjiman. Yeah. Oh man, that's fucking class. I thought you were putting up some kind of tarp system, dude.
It's basically, you can get another one. It's called the rock domus.
Oh, okay.
The side opens up on it.
Oh right,
like
okay.
This, but it just it acts as
That's
a
fucking
awning
deadly.
as well, you know.
I love that.
One of your mates recently got one, Paul, I think his name was.
Yeah, Paul from Wild Irishman. Yeah, Paul, what do you think of that now? They know how to put her up, dude.
You got one of these, did he?
Yeah.
Tell them about your one.
Oh man, that's fucking great. Yeah, happy days. Barry, show us your setup, dude, will it? More gear porn. Everyone. I've said it before, like your kits, there's as many as the stars. And there really is so many different setups, so many different colours, so many different equipment. Oh God, that's going to be great now to have that there. Ooh, do you hear that, Red? Whoa. Yeah. This is Barry's setup here. It's a nature hike. I like the nature hike tents as long as they're green. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Are you skiving off in here?
Yeah, no rain jacket. This is my rain jacket.
Okay. It's big enough, is it?
Sure.
Right.
Free Vietnam shelter.
Vietnam. Yeah. I think it's time I got my rain jacket on myself. I'm ducking down under tarps here. Back soon. Cheers. It's recorded. Dude, is this your chair here? It is. Well, I'll give that over to you there. Yep. We'll get you in the video. It's recording there, lads. Don't say anything about your mother-in-laws.
That make me famous.
No. Infamous is more like it. Yeah. Look at everyone sitting now. I'm going to stop it there. We come back. Yeah, there they are. Look at that. Have you got Declan's rubbish there?
Oh, you doing it is, yeah. Heavy load, man. It's weighing me down. I mean, after having a heart attack and everything.
Okay. Yeah, hi everybody. Wow, that was I done 6 nights in the woods. So that was great. The lads, I'm after doing 4 there with the lads. We had a great time. The days just go so fast sitting around chatting like old ones we were. But anyways, yeah, look, thanks for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this little adventure as well, and all the kit that we talked about. I don't know what to call this. I might call this gear porn or something, because we looked at a lot of tents. Anyway, look, have a great time, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.